When selecting your Lavatory Vanity backsplash options, you first need to select the backsplash locations. Backsplashes are intended to be put on wall abutting sides. Depending on your space and your specific wall locations, this will determine where you decide to locate your backsplashes. Any area not designated to receive a backsplash will be designated as a front edge, which can be customized in the front edge section. Once your backsplash locations have been selected, you will need to decide if you would like to choose applied backsplash or integrated coved backsplash. Applied backsplashes will have a seam and need to be installed in the field. Integrated coved backsplashes will come pre-installed as a one-piece unit. Once you have made the selection to receive applied backsplash or integrated coved backsplash, you will need to determine your backsplash edge treatment. This edge treatment can be chosen between roundover, bevel, or square. Typically, the same edge treatment is selected for both the backsplash and the front edge.